Cooking with Liberty. This is the second episode of our cooking series. Today I'm going to make easy 4-ingredient cake mix cookies. And the recipe will be in the description of the video. The first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now I have to combine cake mix, oil, and eggs. Just like the recipe says, the batter is thick. Gabe, don't say anything. And so next, I have to pour in these chocolate chips. Here's what it looks like with all the chips in unstirred. So I'm going to fold them in now. Take a cookie scooper and put them on the tray. Here are my cookies. There's some big boys. I'm gonna put them in the oven now. Alright, now the cookies are going to bake for 9 minutes, so we'll be back when they're done. The first batch is done and they're on the cooling racks now, so now I just gotta wait for them to cool off and I'll try out the cookies. Here's the finished cookie. Still a little bit warm, so that means it's gonna be even better. Gonna take a bite now. Alright, you have 5 seconds to like and subscribe to get a cookie. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.